Hello everyone, hi Scorpio, water sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Scorpio, energy could be vice versa. Let's see your reading and messages. What's going on? Scorpio, water sign. Yeah, someone is coming back from past. They're very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion. I think there is some there is separation. I think separation is not. I think you are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by another person. I think it could be your person also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. That's why they are coming back. But this time you are not accepting this love. What I'm getting, because they are now coming back. Uh, you both are soulmates. I think you both feel that you both are soulmates to each other. Two of Cups is there, but something happened between both of you. Uh, and Queen of Swords. I think you are very honest and giving, sharing and caring person in this connection, Scorpio. But they are coming back for reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they are willing to work on this relationship and they want partnership with you, because Three of Pentacles is here. Definitely they want partnership, they want to work on this relationship, and they won't give up on you. But you acting now, you are like defensive, acting like defensive even though you want this relationship, because Queen of Swords with Seven of Wands. Definitely this time you stand by your power and you are very defensive, and the Lovers card is here. Definitely there is love between both of you. I think there is no emotional balance. Okay, physical intimacy is there, but there is no emotional balance, what I am getting. That's why you cut your person off. I think for some, your person may be feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. For some, you're thinking that not accepting this offer. Okay, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, because Ten of Swords. Definitely you are ending this with your person. For some, you also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with this, and you want rebirth in this connection. So take what resonate and leave the rest. If you are waiting for your person to come back, definitely they are coming back. And this time they want to work on this relationship. Some communication also. Page of Wands is here. Some communication. And one person may be angry than the other person in this connection. And your person won't give up on you. They are very determined now. And your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth energy, especially Gemini. So yeah, there is love between both of you in past, but something happened between both of you. For some it could be third party situation also. For some, you now concentrating on your career, working towards your goals, Three of Pentacles, but now they are coming back to work on this relationship. But one person not accepting the, for some you are not going to accept this love. For some you are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. Now your person coming back, they're realizing you both. So take what resonate here. Two groups. For some, there will be rebirth in this connection, because Ten of Swords always doesn't mean that endings. For some, it could be rebirth also. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. See here, Nine of Pentacles. Definitely you stand by your power this time. And this deck, Eight of Cups. Someone is walked away in this connection. It could be you or your person. Scorpio, you stand by your power. Definitely. Let's see your person current feelings towards you. See, Six of Cups. Seven of Wands. They won't give up on you. Tower. Definitely they are undergoing some tower movement right now. They want reconciliation. Definitely now they're realizing your worth. Scorpio, what I'm seeing here. Definitely they won't give up on you. And they want to win you back. Whatever. And the tower, definitely there is some tower movement your person right now going. And seven of wands with six of cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. I think you both could be soulmates because two of cups is there and six of cups, definitely past life connection, or you both could be soulmates. Definitely six of cups, you both have strong connection with each other. Definitely your person want reconciliation, they won't give up on you. Literally they are undergoing some tower movement. They are in so much pain for this separation if you are in separation. Okay, so let's see. They are very sad for the missed opportunity with you because four of cups. See, under the deck, four of cups. Definitely they are feeling very sad for the missed opportunity. Now they want reconciliation with you. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Scorpio, your person near future actions towards you. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Knight of Wands and Knight of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions and they want to offer stability to this connection. Ten of Pentacles, but they are in slow moving energy, but it is sincere offer. This time your person is sincere because Knight of Cups with Knight of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions and they want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, there is love. Definitely your person loves you. There is love because Knight of Cups having strong emotions. And a Knight of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion also. For some, maybe the issue between both of you, maybe your person is in and out of your life, that causing so much resistance in this connection. You are feeling insecurity low when your person may be in and out of your life, but now they're realizing you both. Now they are coming back to offer stability in this connection. Ten of Pentacles, stability is coming in, guys. Definitely they are coming back with a lot of love and stability. They want to offer stability. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Outcome, mutual energies, Scorpio. Strength. King of Wands, lot of passion. Six of Wands. See, you both, King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Powerful couple. You both stand by your power. And you both are attracted to each other. You both are passionate about each other. Definitely there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. I think you both want each other, but some ego problems because you both are stubborn and strong and powerful couple. Yeah, there is success. Definitely there will be reconciliation because you both want same thing but not expressing feelings because you both are waiting for one another to take action first. And strength, definitely your person getting the strength to come towards you. Leo, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your person could be especially Leo. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection and they have strong emotions for you. They have love for you and they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. And you also feeling sad for the missed opportunity with your person. I think you both are on the same page, Scorpio, but you both are not expressing your feelings with each other. I think some egos. That's why 10 of Swords. I think there are going to be some new beginnings between both of you guys. Most of you, some new beginnings between both of you. Some new cycles are going to begin between both of you. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Wow. The Sun, Hangman, Knight of Cups. See, they are rushing towards you. Knight of Swords, Knight of Cups 2 times. Definitely they have strong emotions for you. They love you. Love is there between both of you. Your person loves you, there is no doubt. And Hanged Man, definitely you are stuck on your person and you also thinking about your person a lot. The Sun, wow, happy ending. Definitely there is reconciliation for some. Yeah, your person is coming back and there will be reconciliation. Yeah, happy ending for some. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Scorpio. See, Knight of Swords, the Fool, wow, 9 of Cups, Ace of Sea. Love is there. They love you so much. Nine of Cups, they are wishing for this connection and their wish is going to be granted. And the Fool, definitely they want brand new beginnings and they want to take leap of faith. Yeah, for some it could be trust issues also. Now your person want to regain their trust and they want to win you back. And Knight of Swords, they are they're rushing towards you like very fastly. Okay, yeah, they want brand new beginnings, they are wishing. Yeah, there is love. Ace of Cups. So yeah, this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and please do support me and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.